Hello, Mr. Mau Akwaba Biomba, our drop servicing full course. And Sana Metwason, I want to introduce Barbie, how my little girl can discuss it. Moving forward, I have to make sure say I've got Barbie in the video. I also have Kitty here. Kitty, but Kitty will not be joining us today because we're in roofing. So Kitty needs to go have a shower. In most of the tutorials you see Barbie. If my little girl bring in another, what do you call it, character or one of her toys now, I'll introduce them here. So Barbie will be staying with us for a while. Okay, welcome to this part. This part near part 1.6. Into part 1.6, near Barbie looking at platforms you can use to create your drop servicing business. In part 1.5, we looked at how to create international bank accounts using the Wise app. And if you've not watched it now, I'm going to leave a link at the top section. Please click on it to suit yourself. And to part where the share some sort of platforms you can actually use to create your drop servicing business. Mention one about share me other screen, then we go through these platforms. Okay, so the first platform we can use on your friend contract. So the into contract.com. This screen will pop up. Now this website will pop up. Into Contra, a platform they've created it for service providers. Into more provided services. What I love about this is a 100% free. ABI will create and find say podcast audio editing services. Say you bet me about near creating an account near all the our services at all. And if we are charging ABI one service for $50, customers need to account $50 contract, they don't take any commission. You get your whole $50. The only downside is their payment gateway, they only use bank account in the USA. So you have to be based in the USA. And you cannot use the implanted payment gateway now. It comes with the platform. But if you want to charge customers, said a year in our previous part, and you need to create an international bank account over USA and other countries to be able to receive payments. That's how you have to do it. Into also the independence commission free. Okay, everything you need to launch, build, or grow your independent career platform really, really simple. Okay, so but what do you call it? I'm not going to go so much into details because we may brush in Yamam Keke into by discover now all the what do you call it services amount for a listed. Okay, on the platform. Service amount for a listed on the platform. Really, really easy to wear for service providers and aware or be or pay your customers basically. So the platform like Kakra will also promote your services to others so others can find you. And see if you are beginning and you don't have much money, you can actually start with Contra. They're really easy to sign up. Next on the list here, Kakra. This is my favorite tool, Kakra. And you want a platform that is already built for you. You can actually sign up with Kakra, okay, and use them. They've got a lot of features that will help your business. More checkouts, pages, leads, emails, everything is done for you here. What I love about them is you can create like a membership site here. You can also create your affiliates. The affiliate system nearby easy to market our platform. No, they already have an affiliate management system implanted in the Kakra platform here. So I really, really like Kakra. The only thing is it's a bit expensive. Into your beginner now, I think say Nipo in Kakra. Into your bahana starter is from $99 per month. Into $99 times 12. While your calculations into if you're a starter there, it's going to be a bit expensive for you. I just say be a then you can use it. Okay, so Kakra is also really good. Next platform, no, I be used, Shopify. Yeah, because in a Shopify, they say you use for what do you call it? For selling products. Yes, you can also use Shopify to also sell your services. You just have to get the right theme. and the right apps to install so you can sell your services into Shopify so you can use it. I'm not going to go so much into details because I know that most of you have already heard about Shopify. Again, your core pricing now starts from $29 per month. You also need to get your own domain name, which is going to cost you every year. And also to integrate like affiliate system, management system, and also one or two apps to run your successful um, shop drop servicing business. So you need to buy one or two apps, okay? And so again, it's not going to be just 29. It's going to be 29 and some extra bit of other costings involved. So if you have a bit of money too, you can go with Shopify. Again, I'm not going to go so much into details. Next on the list here, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels are really popular. It's been around for a long time. Okay. In Tianasono, you can use to create like a nice and catchy one-page sales funnel for your services side to catch your customers in, and the customers will take action and buy your services. And again, I'll go straight to the pricing, and also it's a bit costly. Okay, so if you decide to go with ClickFunnels, you'll be looking around $80.84 per month, and also no, and that form, if you have the money, I can use ClickFunnels, but the only thing I've yet to figure out about the affiliate management system, I don't think that they've got a feature to do that for you. Hence, that's why I'll go with Kakra. Okay, I'll go with Kakra. And last but not the least is WordPress, and that's what we'll be using. Okay, yeah, I'll show you guys how to create your business drop servicing business website. We're using WordPress, WooCommerce, and the DB theme, and that's going to be in the part 2. And if you don't have money to be paying all this platform, it's okay. Yeah, I'll show you how to start with a little bit of money. Okay, you don't need money to sign up with Kakra, Shopify, and the rest. Oh, great Kakra. Okay, I'll show you how to do this in the part 2. And I say, we're great Kakra as well. Even with Fofo Tech, we can actually create a whole platform for you. All you have to do is to just renew your domain name and hosting every year, if that makes sense. And that is going to be much better as compared to say you are paying every month. But if you have the money, please be my guest and go for them. Into your Facebook, there are lots and lots of other platforms out there you can use. But I think that with these selections, they are really, really good. And if you have the money, you can use them. And to do a recap, you're looking on how to use Contra, how to use Kakra, how to use Shopify, how to use ClickFunnels. Okay, these are all powerful platforms. If you have the money, you'll be able to use it to create your drop servicing business. But in this tutorial, we are going to use WordPress and WooCommerce. WordPress, it's easy. You can see create idea, flexible, and is very, very cost effective. Really, really affordable. You just so creating one time, you just have to renew your domain name, which is going to be your business name, maybe www.podcastingservices.com, and your hosting, where your website will stay on the internet 24/7. You just be renewing this every year, and that's going to be your only cost. And I don't know, and the best, and it's going to be the most affordable one. And that's why I highly recommend you use that. So the next one is going to be part 2.1. So part 2.1, we'll look at selecting your business name. Okay, the business name will be selected to use, and from this business name, and one best register our domain name with. Why am I suggesting say you look at business name? Your business name needs to be catchy and also be SEO friendly. You can SEO, search engine optimization. So they'll be called ABR Google, not called type services. Now, if your business name is SEO friendlier, it's most likely say your service will come on page 1 of Google. So they can click on your website and order your services. And in part 2.1, we'll look at how to select a suitable business name for your drop servicing business. If you want to contact me again, the contact details now on, please click on it and contact me. Okay. I've got a team that are actually helping me to manage all this. I've got a lot of DMs, and sometimes I cannot reply to everyone, but with this team, they are really helping me a lot. Okay, so if you contact me now, you could be able to speak to one of my team members. See you in part 2.1. Bye.